What's up guys, welcome to AB Auto. Just a quick update video for today. Got some good news and I've got some bad news. The good news is I've just had 4 brand new tyres fitted to the C43 and the tyres are absolutely amazing. I'm so pleased with them. We're going to be doing a full review of the tyres, so that's the next video that's going to be coming up. And we're also going to be doing a direct comparison tomorrow morning between the crabbing issue. We're going to see if the new tyres have fixed the crabbing when it's nice and cold in the morning, so look out for that one. However, the bad news is when my tyres were fitted, the guy that fitted the tyres accidentally damaged 3 of my alloy wheels. And they are diamond cut wheels, which is an absolute nightmare to repair. So I'm pretty bummed out about it, but yeah. So what we're going to do is I'm going to take you outside the car now and I'm going to show you the wheels. I'm going to show you the damage. We're also going to take a look at some close-up pictures if you can't see on the video, just so I can show you guys really what's happened. The purpose of this video really is just to update you guys and let you know, but at the same time I wanted to let you guys know so you can see how easy it is for a tyre fitter to accidentally damage your wheels. And I just wanted to give you guys a heads up because if I hadn't checked the wheels right after really thoroughly, I might not have noticed straight away, and then that could have caused some problems when I presented it to him later, because the guy has kindly actually offered to pay for the damage, which is great. It's just getting the logistics together of actually getting these repaired. So we're outside the car now, so this wheel I believe is absolutely fine. They're really dirty, so no damage there. We go to the back wheel now. Can't quite see there, but underneath, oh yeah, here we go there. So not sure if it's going to come out as bad on the camera, but basically this has all been ripped up here, and it runs all the way around. You can see where it's damaged from the machine. Now that's not the bad ones. So if we go around here at the top here, you can see the whole surface is no longer smooth and it's all been ripped up around here. It's not good. And there's even more damage here. This is all damage, this isn't dirt. And then it runs all the way around the wheel. So further damage up here. So basically his machine has just ripped up all around the wheel. And if we check the front here, immediately you can see damage here along the top. And it continues on around here. And you can really tell that it's by the machine, because if you were to curve the alloy wheel, you wouldn't be able to damage the inside part there. It would have to be the front face. So yeah, so let's jump back in the car, I'll tell you more. Okay, so that's the damage on the alloys. If you look at the pictures here, you can see in a bit more detail where it's been damaged. You can see where his machine has accidentally taken out the kind of inside layer. There's a bit of damage on the front too, but it's very obvious looking at these pictures that this damage occurred with the tyre fitting machine and not from general curbing, because if it was a curbing then the front face would be damaged too. I was very confident too, because I take good care of my wheels, and I'm one of those drivers that doesn't park near the curb purposely, because I just hate having to fix curbed wheels, especially diamond cut ones. So what happens now? Well, I've just been to my local Mercedes dealer, which is Milton Keynes Mercedes, and they've been incredibly helpful. I spoke to the manager of the body shop. He took a look at my car right away. We looked at all the wheels, and he determined that it was definitely caused by a tyre machine, but we already knew that. He said that it's a bit of a unique job because they're used to repairing wheels that have been hit by curbs and such, but that actually hopefully will play into my favour, because usually with a diamond cut wheel it costs around £150 per wheel to repair, because it's a long process. They basically have to recut the entire front of the wheel, and it takes several days, so it can be really troublesome. But the wheel technician thought that he could actually manually fix the damage on just the edges for these. So I've actually been quoted for a one-day job on all 3 tyres. They've quoted me £306, which works out just over £100 per wheel, and that includes VAT, so that's pretty good going. Next video I'm going to be talking about the tyres, because I'm really pleased with the tyres. We're going to do a crabbing test to see if the crabbing's gone, because that was an important thing that I wanted to fix. And then now we're going to get a video to look at what it's like to refurbish the diamond cut alloy wheels on this car. I'm getting them refurbished in, I think it's a week or 2.
So I'll be making a video showing you the process of that, and we're going to be looking at the results. So if anyone here has accidentally curbed their diamond cut alloy wheels and wants to see how they get refurbished and how it is, then stay tuned for that video. I'm signing out now. Hopefully my next video will be back with nice editing, music, and I've just shot this on my phone, so apologies if the quality is not as good, but I just really wanted to make this quick video to update you guys and let you guys know what happened. I'll see you guys next time.